Hey guys, and welcome back.
And if you're new here, thanks for joining us today.
So where are we?
We are at Lake Mead.
We're going to be doing quite a few activities here, but today's activity, crossing my fingers, we're supposed to take you guys with us on an e-bike ride.
We're going on the historic railroad trail, which takes you from Lake Mead Visitor Center, basically, all the way into Hoover.
And the couple that recommended this to us is Mark and Terry
from Next Trekking Adventure.
So we're really excited to do this. They raved about it, and I am just, the visitor center in and of itself is beautiful.
Yeah, the views are awesome. Lake Mead is just incredible to see in the middle of the desert.
It's a little chilly, high 50s, low 60s, and it's starting to drizzle, but we're gonna do this anyways.
Yeah, it's just a drizzle. We're from Florida.
All right, let's get the bikes.
Let's do it.
Alright, so the camera is propped on the e-bike. Got Ruth behind me. She's putting on her raincoat. I have mine on. Are you guys ready to go for a ride?
Wearing these jackets was a great idea, babe.
Huh?
Wearing this jacket was a great idea.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to come up behind you. I'm going to go ahead and start.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, look at that.
Quick pause for a picture. I think she's getting Lake Mead. We are walking the bike over because this part here, it's like narrow and super windy, and it just drops on both sides. My balance is horrible, and I do not need the wind pushing me off. So we were told we're almost at the first tunnel. We're going to walk the bikes across again. Are you taking a picture of the tunnel?
Yeah.
Should I stop way before it's like that?
I can't hear you. Something about the tunnel. That's that thing in the entrance kind of ruins it.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Wow, we're inside of that mountain.
The rocks in here are just spectacular. That is so cool. And the entrance is framed out. That was awesome. So beautiful.
And pow, look at that.
I'll stop in this one so that you guys can get a close-up and see what it looks like inside. Timbered Tunnels, it's called. Let me stop right here so that there's some light and it's not completely dark, and you guys can see what that looks like. Let me bring you closer. Before it gets dark, you'll see it's darker in there. So you'll see basically these not structures, but like the rocks themselves, how they're curved. It almost looks like, you know what that looks like? Like if we were under the sea, like coral.
Yeah.
And then here it looks more like rock.
Well, it's been chipped away.
Yeah.
To create the tunnel.
Very true.
There's a bump there, so be careful.
I see it. I see it. Thank you. Woo. Hi. Thank you. Woo.
Thank you.
Don't look to the side. Don't look to the side. Oh my god. I don't know how I have fear of heights, but yet I enjoy doing crazy stuff like this. I guess the thrill of the fear. Oh, I wonder how far behind me Lou is. I don't hear her anymore.
So freaking cool.
I know.
And it's free. You can do this for free. This doesn't even require the America the Beautiful pass.
Oh, I have to adjust the camera. It's moved down a little bit. So once I come out of this little tunnel, I need to stop. The container. Watch out, there's a hole there in the middle.
Look at the marina down there.
Yeah. Don't make me look to the side because then I lose my balance and freak out. I kind of want to do this again, but hiking, not biking. So I'm going to really take it in. Another tunnel, you guys. This one's a small one. Historic railroad trail open during daylight hours only.
I think we're supposed to park over there.
What?
I feel like we're supposed to park over there.
You can ride it.
No, wait.
Just because I'm logging it doesn't mean.
I'll wait for you.
They must have put that fence there because somebody busted themselves up in this curve.
Probably came too fast. Let's get it right off.
Yeah, I turned off the e-bike.
Huh?
Ooh, the pedaling is harder without it on.
Yeah, it's really hard without it. That's why I'm telling you to keep pedaling, because if it dies, that's what it's going to feel like. You just have to walk it back.
Whoa. Hoover Dam, 1 mile.
Aren't you glad you're not going down through there?
No.
Ooh, this is cool.
Okay, no, let's start.
Woo! You gravitate to the loose rocks.
What?
You gravitate towards the loose rocks. It's like, oh, loose rock, let me go drive on it.
I think because I look at it and you end up steering in the direction you look.
Right. That makes sense.
Just like I look off the cliff and then I freak out because, oh my God, I'm looking off the cliff, I'm going to fall off.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Because you end up steering in the direction you look. So I try to focus, just look forward, just look forward.
It draws you to it.
Yeah. So it's spooky. These rocks are gorgeous.
Huh?
Wow, this rock here?
Yeah. Incredible.
Ooh. Like little rock dunes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look forward, look forward, look forward, look forward. Oh, I want to look to the side. I'm sure it's so beautiful. Oh, look forward. We're turning here, right? Like a U-turn. I think so. Oof, it's raining hard. I'm going down pretty fast. I don't want to brake because I know I'm going to skid all this rocks. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, here's packed ground. Okay, let me brake, see where Lou's at. Oi, 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 oi. Look at my phone. Okay. Here's this trail. This will be a good picture. This will be a cute picture with all that in the background. See, no bicycles. So we have to park it. It's raining like a lot. My phone is soaked. I may have to put this inside and probably not record the rest and just pull it out every so often to show certain things to you guys. Bikes are parked. There's the sign saying no bicycles. And we're going in. So we came from up there where you guys see, there's literally like the path is like a little incline. It's not stairs or anything like that you walk down and then you walk across this big old parking lot. And I think I saw some people circling to go down into the parking lot. So let's see where this path takes us.
Right, pedestrian only.
Yep, pedestrian only. There's the bridge that you drive over.
To the elevator?
Ooh, yes. I would very much prefer the elevator over the stairs. Thank you so much. Ooh, I guess that's where we're going to end up. I see a ton of people down there. Never would I have ever guessed that there were palm trees in here. Wow. Visitor center and tours. Okay. We fell behind to take a picture over there. Would it fill over here too? That's what I'm not understanding, because that has a water line.
Got a picture of them all standing, all of them standing in
I am gonna go by foot from Nevada to Arizona. Is that even doable? I think it is. Wait for these people to pass and we're gonna cross over to Arizona. Who's back there taking pics? I think somewhere. Yeah, he's back there. Let me wait for her so we can go from Arizona to Nevada together. Hey, you want to walk across state line with me?
Sure. But I'll leave you on the other side.
That's not nice. Hola. That's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the I'll take pictures there. Or with the Danby.
Uh-oh. So let's stand right here in the middle. Right here. We're standing in the middle. Come behind me. Besito. Right, so we are in Arizona. Let's get that Arizona time zone. That's so crazy. Like just right over this bridge. It's completely different times. Well, actually right now it's the same because of the whole daylight savings thing. So as of today's date, it's basically considered Pacific time.
4:59.
Oh, that's gorgeous, Mommy. The mountain right underneath the bridge.
Yeah, we're gonna go on that side.
We are? Okay, we're gonna cross over there.
We're gonna walk over and cross. You know, there's a crosswalk right there.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Ready. That's pretty down there. It's cool.
Pretty amazing that it's free. The stuff that people pay for. I mean, we're not going inside the dam, obviously.
I was going to say, like, I mean, this part isn't necessarily something people have to pay for unless they actually do a tour, though, right?
Right.
Oh, okay. I think maybe pay for parking.
Yeah, if we come directly. I think, I want to say the Arizona parking is free, but the Nevada isn't, or something like that. One of them is free.
Okay. Okay.
To park at.
Got it.
I gotta get this again.
Oh my goodness, my love. That's a beautiful one. Look at that arch back there. It's a good one. Are we allowed to kayak through this water that goes through under Hoover Dam? No? That would be so cool.
That water's locked in the dam.
Yeah.
The dam is
You can
right
see
here.
the bubbling of it.
The dam is right here holding it in place. And it releases it, or it creates electricity. That's why you have all this electricity.
Yeah. All right, it's time to hike our way back up.
Bike.
No, hike our way back up to get to the bikes.
Yeah, which are probably soaked.
Which are more than likely soaked. Which I am going to be like on full-blown panic mode with the wet ground all this rain. I'm not going to have the camera on for the way back because we basically had it on for the way here. So I hope you enjoyed coming along on this bike ride with us alongside Lake Mead to Hoover Dam on the, what is it called, the Old Railroad Trail?
The historic Old Railroad Trail.
Definitely check it out yourself. I don't recommend e-bikes unless you're like the thick, tired ones that are like for
you would
off.
still not be comfortable.
No, I don't recommend bikes unless you're really comfortable on bikes. I'm not. I don't recommend it. I would do it again, but walking, so that I can, you know, walk and be able to look around and enjoy it, because on the bikes you're focused on how you're going. Yeah. So you can't really like veer off and let me look to the side, let me look down. Yeah. So yeah, it would be much more enjoyable hiking. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the bike ride out here, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know down below. Have you been to Hoover Dam, and what was your method of coming? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.